What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today is Matchbox time and we are gonna take a look at another one of these 2024 5-packs that I bought a bunch of because they were on sale in a store for €6 each, which is in my opinion a very good deal. Now, as you can see, this is the Matchbox City Drivers 4-pack. And if you take a look on the side of this 5-pack, you can see that there is only one licensed model in this set, and I guess because of that it won't be that popular. But I have to say I don't really care as long as there is some stuff in these sets that I like, and especially these food trucks are something, yeah, that's taking worth a look at. In my opinion, I really like these food trucks and I don't care if they are not licensed. And as you can see here, our cover car, or whatever you call it, is the Renault Kangoo, the only licensed model. And here on the back side you can see it with headlights and all deco on the front. And of course our real diecast car doesn't have that, but we'll get to that in a second. So now let's get started. I already cut this open, and yeah, let's take a look at the model. Let's start with this guy here. I think this is an older casting from 2018. It's got the Matchbox Mini Swisher, and I thought I have another version. But yeah, it turned out I was pretty wrong. I mixed it up with this little guy, the Skidster. And as you can see, obviously, these two are not the same. So let's put the Skidster with its nice color to the side. And let's take a look at this thing here. Yeah, the whole, let's say, bottom part is plastic, only this upper part is metal. And I think there is not really much more to say about this one. It's a neat casting, and yeah, let's put it in the parking lot. The next one, yeah, this thing is a little bit strange in my opinion. Obviously not a car, it's a boat. Now, I mean, you can complain about scale and all that stuff. I mean, that a boat is much bigger than yeah, a normal car. That's obvious, and that it fits in this packaging, you have to make it really small. So yeah, I think that is okay. But the strange thing about this one is the only part that is metal is this upper part. The rest is plastic, and for me this looks more like a, I don't know how you call it, firefighter boat or something. But it's decorated up in harbor police. Nice color combination, by the way, this yellow and this blue. And you can see there are little wheels on the bottom. The thing is, it doesn't really roll. So I don't know why they exactly did this, or if it's only this version that really doesn't work. I don't know. And here on the base, it's saying 1/64 scale. Okay. Interesting. And yeah, casting from 2015. So yeah, let's put this into the parking lot and let's take a look at the, in my opinion, coolest model of this set. So yeah, basically this is something not very spectacular. As you can see, we have very dark tinted windows, and I tried to look through them, and I think this model doesn't even have an interior. And normally it doesn't come with details on the front. Here is another example. And as always, yeah, it doesn't look too good when these models come without any headlights or a grille, or maybe in this case the Renault logo. the thing is, I mean, if you display them from the side, they can look really good. And if you do have more of them, like I do, so we have also this version Goodyear tires, and I also have this also pretty plain shell version. So my point of view is, if you display them like I guess many of you do from the side, these things do look pretty cool. And yeah, I like this model. That's all I can say, although it doesn't come with any front deco. Now, the interesting thing is that they do on some of these models, one side is English and one side is German. As you can see, it's saying dry cleaning, pressing, spot cleaning, door-to-door service, and yeah. On the other side, it's in Germany and it's saying Reinigungen, Bügeln, Fleckreinigung, Schneiderei und Änderungen. Und and or also Tür-to-Tür service. Yeah, kind of interesting. I don't know why exactly they're doing this. And I also love the color combination. White, this cool orange, and baby blue. Looks good. I mean, the thing is that the print quality here on the side isn't the best, but I mean, it's a cheap model. But I have to say, I really like it. So let's put it into the parking lot, put our other versions to the side, and let's get to the next one, the Chow Mobile 2, obviously a food truck. Yeah, once again, this is stuff I wouldn't have bought at the beginning of yeah, my diecast, yeah, I wouldn't call it obsession, at the beginning of diecast collecting. But you know, the more you get into it, the more interesting these are, in my opinion. So here we have the original Cheesymelt truck, always fresh, always good. Does it say, if you crave that homemade style of grilled cheese sandwiches like your mama made, then you've come to the right place. Ask about our cheesy diecast special. Yeah. And what's on the menu? Grilled cheese, tomato soup. The rest is hard to read. Anyways, yeah. Long story short, I like this one. Same thing as with the Renault. There are other versions. I don't have too many, but here you can see, what's it called? Uncle Abe's Island Barbecue. That's also a neat version with the same wheels, by the way, and the same base. And what's the other one? This guy here, famous Matchbox burgers grilled to perfection, with the blue tinted window piece. Yeah, I mean, if you only have one of them, it doesn't look too good, but if you display more of them next to each other, in my opinion, these can look very good. So let's put the Cheesymelt truck also into the parking lot, and here is our the last one. This one is from 2004. I don't have another version of this guy here. It's called the City Bus. Yeah, I think this one looks really nice. And once again, it's just about the Deco. Let's say Metro City Transit. I mean, it's a bus you maybe could imagine running around in Hawaii or something. I don't know. I think it looks neat, and even though, once again, 4 or 5 models in this pack are unlicensed, I think it isn't a bad 5-pack. I mean, you can write down in the comments what you think. My opinion is, for €6, it's a good deal. Once again, things get more and more expensive, and especially Matchbox are hard to get this year in single packs. I mention it in every video, and as always, I'm picking a favorite. And yeah, this time it's easy. It's the Renault Kangoo in crispy Calinas Deco. And two languages, German and English, which is kind of interesting. Now, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.